think you moved on way too quickly. I think you meant way more to me. I've been falling out of line. Thought we was healing, thought we was taking our time. Did you find someone else to fill the time? If you did, that's fine. I guess I just thought that there would be some residue. Couldn't imagine that anyone could fill your shoes. I let you toy with you. Guess it's time to make my move. I think you moved on way too quickly. I guess you meant way more to me. Think you moved on way too quickly. Guess you meant way more to me. Yeah, I would've never let you go if you didn't give me reasons. See, I was frozen, let it go, had to change with the season. I guess I just thought that there would be some residue. Now you made me go find someone else to fill your shoes. Let you toy with you. Guess it's time to.
We're gonna put it in the pan. Put it like on 5 medium heat. I just flipped it. So guys, I still remember how to do this. I'm so proud of myself. Yes, honey. And it's raised in between and it's getting fluffy on top. Yes. Guys, the flipping is so like, yeah. I don't know if I can do this while holding my phone. There we go. Did it. I'm just gonna let it sit there and then I'll push it back once. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Morning, guys. So today is Saturday, the 25th of October. I've had the past 2 days, I've had like a migraine, and today I think it's a bit better, but it's because I am on my cycle. So I'm trying to record each and every time I get an attack and how long it lasts. So this one, yeah, it's been a while. Actually it started on Tuesday, so it's been 4 days. I haven't taken a shower, my face looks like this, but I'm still gonna go and run my errands and do my lashes. So basically today is maintenance day and I want to take you guys along with me. So I'm gonna shower, get ready and go. And I'm gonna paste my nail because it got loose. The glue that I use is this one. This is the glue that I use. Focus, focus, focus. So yeah, just wanted to come here and tell you guys that today I'm starting a new vlog. No matter how sick I am, I'm still gonna get out of this house and go and run my errands. Yeah. Check you guys when I'm at Sobe. Okay, guys, so on this day, I went to Sobe to do my nails and my normal maintenance, But unfortunately, because I had a migraine, which is a headache that affects like my eyes as well, the technician said to me I cannot be able to do my lashes because my eyes were way too small. So yeah, these are the things that I normally have to deal with when I have a migraine attack. Like I can't have a facial, I can't have a massage, but so I opted then to do my nails, my toenails. I mean, as you guys can see here, that oh my word, it was due. Okay, it was due. They look like this because most of the time I wear closed shoes since I work in the lab. So yeah, here my toes look very, very nice, and I opted for something simple, sleek, and perfect just for my closed shoes. Hope you guys are still enjoying the vlog. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and share if you can. Thank you.
But be the same. And they got my back like book bags in first grade. I got fire flows, light this up cause I'm bringing propane. Bass knock in your head, we can call it cocaine. And I'm gaining the money's lovely and fame. But in this city we claiming this for the power we aiming. So where your crew at? Cause mine stay ready, but you knew that. And we kill them like Freddy.
We are getting blush.
We don't ever give up. Turn the shoot up. It's the soundtrack to life. Oh, to life, oh, 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 to life. Better get up, we don't ever give up. Turn the shit up, it's the soundtrack to life. Oh, 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 to life, oh, 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 to life. Rolling up in the Bugatti, you call me weird, but don't call me body. City is ours, and look what we started, so where is the money? I'm coming to audit, Chris, we got it, ours, we got it, respect, we got it. You know that we don't play at the end of the day. There's nothing you can say because we made it out the mud now. We finally touched down, turn the lights off, but you can still see that buzz down. Squad, 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 when you see me, better not raise your hand for the applaud. Better get up, we don't ever give up. Turn the shit up, it's the soundtrack to life. Oh, 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 to life, to life. Oh, 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 to life. Better get up, we don't ever give up. Turn the shit up, it's the soundtrack to life. Oh, 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 to life, to life. Oh, 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 to life.
Fire, thunder, love how you pull me under. Passion, pleasure, you had me like no other. Your magnetic force that pulled me in. You know every good thing, it has to end. Fire, thunder, baby, we were too good to last. We burned too fast, something had to give, you know. Baby, we were too good to last. Sure lived the magic, we were bound to lose control. Like a shooting star floating in the sky. Know it had to end, but we shone so bright. Baby, we were too good to last. We burned too fast. We were too good. We were too good. We were too good. No one compares. It's like I can feel you right here. Seems so unfair. Connection like that so rare. Your magnetic force that pulled me in. You know every good thing, it has to end. No one compares. No, baby, we were too good to last. We burned too fast, something had to give, you know. Baby, we were too good to last. Sure lived the magic, we were bound to lose control. Like a shooting star floating in the sky. Know it had to end, but we shone so bright. Baby, we were too good to last. We burned too fast.